Hello guys, today we are going to see what is the fee structure for Rural Medical College Paravra PIMS Loni. What is the new fee structure for 2021? As some days back only, PIMS Loni has published its new fee structure. So we will see what is the fee structure for MDMS courses branch wise, and along with MDMS courses, what is the fee structure for MBBS and BDS also. So along with the fee structure, we will also see that what was the cutoff in 2020 according to rank wise, and that too branch wise, that for particular branch what was the cutoff in 2020, so that you will be getting an idea that what should be the rank that is required for getting admission in Paravra Loni PIMS Loni in 2021 in MDMS courses and MBBS courses. So let's start the video. First of all, let's talk about fee structure. Some days back only, as I told you, that the fee structure has been published by Paravra Loni. First thing first, Paravra Loni, PIMS Loni or Rural Medical College is a deemed university. So we are not going to talk about the cutoffs and all category wise, because categories are not considered in private medical colleges and deemed medical colleges, since categories are only considered in on a government seats. It's not considered on private or deemed colleges. So all the seats available in the rural medical college in Paravra PIMS Loni are general seats, are for general candidates. I mean, all the candidates who will be applying for deemed university, they all will be considered as a general candidate. So two types of fees are there and two types of seats are there in Paravra Loni. 85% seats are for general candidate, which is management, and the remaining 15% are for NRI quota, which is way more costlier than the normal general seats, management quota seats. So we are talking about general seats, 85% management quota seats fees, which has been published, right? So let's start the video. For MDMS courses, all the branches, all the clinical branches like radiology, general medicine, pediatrics, orthopedics, obstetricology, surgery, opthal, ENT. For all of these branches, the current fee structure is 28 lakh per annum. This is the fee structure. I'm not talking about the hostel charges. Hostel charges are different. It could be somewhere approximately 1.2 lakh to 1.5 lakh, and that too according to facility, depending on the facility. If you take AC hostel, then definitely the fee will be little more than the structure I have mentioned. I mean, it will be somewhere approximately 2 lakh rupees. So the fees which has been mentioned over here, 28 lakh for clinical branches, is just the fee structure. It's just the tuition fees for annually, right? So apart from this fee structure, for anesthesia it's 22 lakh 40,000 per annum, and for pathology it's 16 lakh 80,000 per annum. So if you compare this fee structure with 2020, you will find that 3 lakhs extra needed to be paid this time by the students. 3 lakhs extra, because in 2020 the fee structure was 25 lakhs per annum, but this time for the clinical branches, as I told you, that the radiology and medicine, also these clinical branches, they have increased 3 lakh rupees, and this time they have kept 28 lakh rupees. Let's talk about cutoff now. We'll see that what was the cutoff for MBBS and MDMS courses in 2020, so that you will get an idea that what rank you should score if you wanted to take admission in PIMS Loni, right? So for MBBS, the closing rank cutoff in 2020 was 96,039. So the last seat of PIMS Loni for MBBS was taken by the student whose rank was 96,039. After this rank, the seats were not vacant in 2020 for MBBS. So if you wanted to know that what should be the minimum marks needed to be scored this time, then that is 489 or more than that. If you score 489 or more than that, there are chances that you will get Paravra loan in this time in 2021. Similarly, for MDMS, branch wise if we see, so for MDMS radiology, the closing rank was 12,932. So after 12,932, radiology branch seat was not vacant. So that was the cutoff in 2020. For general medicine was closed at 19,883 all India rank. Similarly, pediatrics was closed in 23,890 all India rank. Orthopedics was closed at 25,176 all India rank. OBG was closed at 24,767 all India rank. General surgery was closed at 38,958 all India rank. Opthal was closed at 38,023 all India rank. ENT was closed at 67,081 all India rank. Radiotherapy was closed at 69,775 all India rank. Anesthesia was closed at 53,261 all India rank. Pathology was closed at 96,836 all India rank. Forensic medicine was closed at 70,238 all India rank. So that's all for the Rural Medical College, PIMS Loni. So if you have any doubt, please give me a call on the number given on the screen, or you can put your comment in the comment box, put your queries in the comment box also. You have another option that the link for the Telegram group is given in the description box. You can just join the that link also, and you can put your queries.